You are prepared, everyone?
Yes, sir.
How was your reasoning exam today?
Sir, bad.
Huh? Sir, super.
Sir, because I can't attend the, sir, I can't able to do the test, because sir, I was not able to do the test, sir, because there was a phone problem. So, ma'am, so sir, Palak ma'am said that she will share me the test link and I will then give the test. Today,
There was a problem. The link was not opening. What was the problem?
sir, in the link when I opened, sir, first the link was not open when I opened it, and the second, I can when I was touching the father name, mother name was coming. So the keyboard was also then not opening. Sir, when I have to click the option in it, so that was also not opening. So sir, I will tell to Palak ma'am, and Palak ma'am said that she will give the link separately to me today evening,
Okay.
and then I will give the test.
Okay. And Daksh Mehrotra, how was your reasoning test? Was it good? Easy? Parth Gupta, how was your reasoning exam? Was it easy or not? Was it difficult?
Sir, listening test is very easy and
Sir, yesterday, sir, I do many question of reasoning for practice.
yes,
Sir, many questions.
sir, I also practice many
Shall we
questions
start?
on.
Sir, shall we start?
Sir, it is not difficult, sir, because I have understand all the questions
It was easy.
in the class, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, beta. Very good. So overall, it was easy for you all. You can say,
Yes, sir.
okay. Okay, so let's start with revision of mathematics. We will do revision of the chapter decimals today. I'm giving you a word problem. You all need to note down the problem.
Sir, please shall we start?
Sir, today we are doing revision.
Yes. One 1.75 meters of cloth is required to make shirt. To make a shirt. How much cloth?
Sir, this we have to do in a math copy or in our reasoning copy.
In your fair copies, maths notebook,
Sir,
fair maths notebook.
okay, sir.
Keep your mics off.
Sir,
Go down the question also. बेटा किसी घर पे टीवी चल रही है? शताक्षी, and Parth.
Sir, it's a decimal chapter.
Yes.
Sir, your screen is blur.
1.75 meter of cloth is required to make a shirt. How much cloth is required for 27 shirts? Note down the question in your copies first and then start doing it.
What we have.
So you have to write the question also.
Yes, you have to write the question also. Done the question, all of you?
No, sir, please wait.
Yes, sir. So only I am calculating and I have done.
Sir, done only calculating. Sir, please tell the answer of this question.
Sir, I have done, so can I send you my answer in chat box?
Yes, beta, you can send your answers in the chat box, all of you. Mehrotra ji, you are right. You have to multiply in this question. Send your answers in the chat box. We will check the answer.
Sir, I have sent you my answer.
Very good. Correct answer, Shatakshi.
Okay, sir.
Very good. So in this question, you have to multiply. I hope
Sir,
you
please
all.
don't tell. Sir, please don't tell. Please wait, sir.
Arey beta, how much time you will take for this one question, a small question?
Sir, I am calculating.
So, can you please tell me the second question?
Yes, beta.
So, what is the second question?
Second question, beta, we have done only one question till now.
Okay,
Okay, now
sir.
you all check your answers. You're very slow in doing this. Not good.
Sir, I
1.75
found the answer.
multiply by 27. Simply you have to multiply in this.
Yes,
So,
Yes,
can
sir.
I tell you the answer?
And
yes, tell the
the
answer.
answer is
So,
47.20.
47.25.
20.
47.
So, 0.47.
47.25 is the correct answer. 47.25 meter.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 47.25 is the correct answer.
So here you can see that there are two decimal places. So you from the right side, you start from the right side and leave two digits and then put a decimal. So what is the answer? 47.25 meter of cloth is required for 27 shirts. Okay, I'm going to
Okay, sir.
give you the next question, question number 2. Okay, next question.
Children. Children.
Question 2. 2.75 meter of cloth is required to make a kurta. To make a kurta, how much cloth is required for 48 kurtas? Do it again, similar type of question. .75 meter cloth is required for one kurta. How much cloth is required for 48 kurtas? Find the answer in 2 minutes quickly.
Sir, I'm writing the question, but I find the answer. So can I send?
Sorry, beta, what are you saying?
Sir, I find the answer.
You've done the question. You can send your answer in the chat box.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Correct answer, Shatakshi. Very good.
Okay, sir.
Do this in your copy also. Write statements.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I can send you my answer personally. Sir, I can send you my answer.
Yes, beta, yes, you can send the answer in the chat box. Others, I want answers from you all also. Daksh Mehrotra, Parth Gupta, Navdeep Gupta, all of you send the answers.
Sir, I'm calculating.
Sanidhi Negi, give the answer.
Sir, I will send you the answer. My answer is correct or wrong.
Vishesh Srivastav, you also send the answer.
Sir, I send you my answer. Please send my answer is correct or
Gaurav
wrong.
Pillajani, your answer is correct.
So I have done this in my book, notebook also.
Very good.
दूसरी लीड लो, मैं तो हेडफोन से कर लूंगा, आप ये ले लो। है तो हटा लूंगा जब बोलना होगा। लो
Others, why are you so late in giving the answers? You take a lot of time in such easy questions. You again have to simply multiply. What else you have to do in this? I don't know. You don't know how to multiply decimal numbers? 2.75 multiplied by 48. So 8 into 5, 40, 4, 56 plus 4, 60, again 0. 8 into 2, 12, sorry, 16, 16 and plus 6, 22, 2200. Multiplied by 4, 2.75 multiplied by 4, 1100. Okay, so 0, 0, 2, 3, 1. So now two decimal places are there in the first number. In the second number, there is no decimal place. So total number of decimal places are 2. So in your answer, you start from the right side, leave 2 digits and then put a decimal. That means your answer is 132 meters. Simply 132 meters, because after decimal there is no digit, only zeros are there. You can leave the zeros and you can simply write the answer 132 meters. This much cloth is required for 48 kurtas. Got it, everyone? कितनी देर लगी? It hardly took 30 seconds.
Yes, sir.
20-30 seconds में आंसर आ जाना चाहिए आपको.
Sir, I always give the first answer.
Very good, beta, Shatakshi. Okay, next question. Now you have to divide. Next question. You all know how to divide decimal numbers?
Yes, sir.
Question number 3. So you divide 851.4 by 9. 851.4 by 9. Divide.
Sir, I have done.
Very good.
Sir, please check my
Correct answer, Sakshi. Very good. Correct answer.
Sir, please do not solve in bold. I am sending the answer.
Okay.
Sir, I have sent it.
Beta, there is a little mistake in your answer, Vishesh. Check it.
Yes, sir. Sir, please tell.
Check your answer again. Do it again.
Okay.
Sir, is my answer correct?
हाँ जी बेटा, क्या कह रहे हो?
Sir, is my answer correct? Sir, is my answer correct?
No, Parth. You need to recheck your answer.
Okay, sir.
You're facing problem in division of decimal numbers. Most of you.
Sir, now see my answer. It is.
Beta, where is
Sir,
the
I have solved
decimal?
again.
Where is the decimal in your answer, Vishesh? There is no decimal in the answer.
Sir, we have to put decimal after 2 digits. Sir,
Beta, you forget how we put a decimal when we divide a decimal number. Just see this, all of you. Everyone, please pay attention. I'm doing it 851.4. You have to divide this by 9. So 8 is smaller than 9, so you take 2 digits, 85. 85.
Sir, wait only
Find
2
that.
minutes. Sir, wait only 2 minutes.
85 minus 81 is equal to 4. 85 minus 81 is 4. Now you will copy down the next digit, which is 1. So this becomes 41. 41 divided by 9. You will go 4 times. 9 into 4 is 36. 41 minus 36. This is equal to 5. Now when you copy down the next digit, which is the first digit after decimal, you are copying the first digit after decimal. So as soon as you copy the first digit after decimal, you have to put a decimal here
S6.
in place of
9
quotient.
into
Do you
6.
remember this or not, Vishesh? When you copy down the first digit after decimal, you have to put a decimal here in the place of quotient. So 54. Now 6 times 9 into 6 is 54. So the remainder is 0 and the answer is 94.6. 94.6 is the answer. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Parth Gupta understood.
Yes, sir.
And others, have you all understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, now I know where is the program.
Ah.
Sir, at the question 851.4. So, sir, I have written 85.14. So, sir, there's the program. That's why it is wrong.
Okay. Next question. Question number 4. Divide 61.285 by 5. 61.285 by 5.
Sir, please check my answer. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta, I am checking your answer.
Okay.
Correct answer. Very good.
Can you check my answer?
Wait. Correct answer, Parth Gupta. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, I have written in the notebook also the question.
Very good. Done, everyone? We are going to discuss.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Okay. Six 1.285 divided by 5. हैं? कौन है? सानिध्य नेगी है ये? कौन है?
सर सानिध्य नेगी.
सानिध्य नेगी, जरा मेरी बात सुनो.
Sir, you have given many times warning to him.
सानिध्य नेगी, बेटा मम्मी है घर पे? बुलाना जरा. मम्मी पापा कोई घर पे हैं? यहीं पे बात करें सबके सामने या अलग से फोन करें, बताओ.
सर वो आपको नंबर ब्लॉक कर देगा अगर आप सर वीडियो कॉल करोगे वॉइस कॉल.
अभी देखो क्लास खत्म हो जाए, कॉल करता हूँ. रुको रुको.
Sir, Sanidhya Negi is not responding.
Yes, I know. कोई बात नहीं, I will call him just after the class. So 6 minus 5 is 1. Then you copy 1 from here. 11 2 times 10. Then the remainder is 1. Now you are copying the first digit after decimal, which is 2. So you put a decimal in quotient. 12 again 2 times. 10 remainder 5. Copy 8. 58. Sorry, remainder 2. 28. 28. 5 times 25. Remainder 3. Then copy 5. 35, 7. Remainder 0. Answer is 12.257. 12.257 is the answer. Check your answer, everyone.
So,
12.257.